times in India-Pakistan, in the history of India-Pakistan, that cricket became a victim of the India-Pakistan lack of relations. Pakistan, I somehow feel, is still caught up in that primitive zone. Pakistan was always known for being very brave on the field. It is not up to me or you or the cricketers or even the cricket boards to decide. The day relations between India and Pakistan become normal, the day they can trust each other.
So Vikrant, tell me, how do you feel about being in Lahore?
It's been amazing. In fact, this is the third day. I'm going off to Dubai tomorrow. I can't tell you that I actually did not have a single minute to myself. Normally what happens is that you kill time and then you wait for some event or some person to meet. I have not had a single moment to myself, which is a very good thing. The hospitality has been amazing. I met some old friends, meeting new friends like you. And it's just that you meeting me on the last day of the tour. And one word that can describe the entire 3-day experience is amazing.
Do you see Indian team visiting Pakistan in future?
It has to happen someday. I don't know when, because there have been times in India-Pakistan, in the history of India-Pakistan, that cricket became a victim of the India-Pakistan lack of relations. In fact, I think 78 when we came to Pakistan and Kapil Dev played his first test match, it was after some 16-17 years. So there's been this stop-start, but then again, it is not up to me or you or the cricketers or even the cricket boards to decide. The day relations between India and Pakistan become normal, the day they can trust each other, the day Pakistan perhaps, I can give you India's point of view, the day Pakistan perhaps can address India's concerns, cricket will obviously be the first bridge between the two countries.
Okay. In your opinion, what went wrong for Pakistan in Champions Trophy?
To be very honest, sitting afar and looking at the teams, and when I saw them play in the Tri-Series, the way New Zealand beat them twice, I knew that they were going to struggle. I mean, I somehow knew that Pakistan cannot win Champions Trophy. If they were lucky, maybe they could have beaten New Zealand or India one game and maybe played in the semi-finals. But I think the world, there's a huge chasm between the cricketing world. You look at teams like South Africa, Australia, England, India, even New Zealand. They have aced this one-day format. Pakistan, I somehow feel, is still caught up in that primitive zone. Pakistan was always known for being very brave on the field. And this time, somehow, I found them to be a little timid. I don't know why. Maybe your dressing room was insecure. Maybe the players did not know what to do. Maybe they did not prepare well. Maybe your team wasn't right. Or maybe it was a combination of everything. But one thing is for sure that the days that I've spent here and I've seen how the Pakistani fans are disappointed with the current lot of cricket. Because Pakistan is not a new cricket country. You had a glorious legacy, a glorious history. You've been world champions like India. And not just that, Pakistan dominated India for a good 20 years. And then, we pulled it back and we've been dominating Pakistan now. But Pakistan has to act now. Otherwise, they'll...
Cricket lovers are very disappointing.
They are. They've got to be.
Many people are criticizing India and in fact Champions Trophy format, like alleging India has an advantage, even undeniable advantage by playing all their matches in Dubai. Pat Cummins, so do you agree?
Well, there is advantage that India has playing in Dubai, no doubt about that.
Because other teams have to travel
between
two venues.
No, that's exactly, that's the point. And India don't have to travel. So that way, yes, it's an advantage. And whichever team comes to play against India in Dubai will be playing the first game. For India, it will be the first, the second, the third, or the fourth, and even the fifth game. So that is advantage to India. But frankly, if India had played here, these conditions would have suited India more.
Okay.
Maybe you would have seen then that the Indian batting would have thrived, because Indian batsmen, the stroke players, actually love the ball coming onto the bat and the fast outfields, And the conditions here in Lahore or Rawalpindi or Karachi are very similar to the ones that we have in India. Dubai is a little tricky surface where Indian batsmen have to adjust.
Yeah.
This would have been like a second home for them in terms of the conditions.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Hafza.